Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to review this Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Toffee. So one of my subscriber was asking to review it, so here I am with the review. I already have two of these foundations, but those are slightly or quite lighter than my skin tone. So if you want to see the review of the foundation, color of the foundation, then keep on watching. So my eye makeup is already done, so I'm going to now do the base. So I'm going to take this foundation in the shade Toffee and apply it on half of my face using the spatula, and then blend it using the beauty blender. So it dries very fast, this foundation, so I'm gonna do half of my face first and then later rest of my face. I think it looks quite good. It has covered all my blemishes and all, and it is a quite good coverage, and also the color is quite matching to my skin tone. Initially it looks a little bit shiny because it has not dried yet. Once it dries matte, it matches perfectly to my skin tone. After I have applied the foundation, I'm gonna use some concealer because I have a smoky dramatic eye look, so I want some concealer. So I'm gonna use this Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade Light because I want a little bit bright under eyes. After I have applied concealer, I'm the compact powder from FitMe. This is FitMe compact powder, and I just set my eyes. This foundation is quite matte, so I don't need any powder to set my face. Later I'm gonna take this Maybelline Master Contour palette in the shade Light to Medium, and taking the contour shade, I'm gonna contour my face using a fluffy brush. After that, I'm gonna take the blush from the same palette and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Next, to add some shine to my face, I'm gonna use this Nykaa highlighter in the shade Gliterrati and apply it on the highest points of my face. Next, for lips, I've used this PAC Retro Matte Mini in the shade Nude, and taking the darker shade, I'm gonna apply it on the lines of my lips. I'm gonna use this as a lip liner. Later, taking one of the lighter shade, I'm gonna fill in the center, and then taking a flat brush or a lip brush, I'm going to mix them before it dries. These are matte lipsticks, so I have to be quite quick to blend them. And yeah, you can see this foundation is quite matching to my skin tone. So if you are my skin tone, Toffee is going to be a very good shade for you. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.